Ready, go.
Get up. Today is Saturday. No, listen. What day is today? Today is Saturday. Today is Sunday. Let's play basketball. Oh no, I want to sleep. Oh, to bed. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. It is Tuesday? Yes. Is this Sunday? Oh, no, it isn't. It's Saturday. Okay.